Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to download Summertime Saga on iOS. And to do so, it's pretty easy and straightforward, so let's get straight into it. First, open your browser or Google for example, and then here in the search bar just type Summertime Saga iOS. Now once you are here, you will have multiple links. I advise you to use the first one because the two second ones are most likely scams, okay? I checked them both and I don't think they're legit. So click on the first link and here you will find the Summertime Saga official webpage. Now if you go to download game here, let's go to the stable version because it's the free one and this one is a paid one. So let's go to download, and here as you can find we have many options, so either Windows and Linux or Mac or Android 64-bit or 32-bit. So what we need here is the Mac version or iOS version. By the way, this also works for the iPhones and iPads, so you just need to go to Mega, Work Upload or Mixdrop. These are all platforms where we can share files. So just go to Mega for example, wait for the page to load, and then click on download, and the download will begin and you will be able to play Summertime Saga on iOS. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.